Hey guys, this is my current project in Scratch. It's a it's a platformer and it's made to look like a scrapbook, and the levels are drawn on. As you can see, it's got the water physics here, which is kind of cool. And you can go to see that after it teaches the player how to use it, it's actually in the level. That's pretty much all I've done so far. I hope to add a lot more levels in the future. Um, it's pretty much just adding new things. The base infrastructure is already there for it. So you can see that everything's split up upon what the player interacts with. So this is the player, right? And it does all the collision checking here in this left plane. But it's actually this player you get to see. This one does all the image work, and so this one is actually hidden, not by hiding it because you want it to be an effect, but it's actually just got a ghost effect which sets it to be invisible, which is the same that applies to all the thing that the player collides with, even the water. You can see that each costume is actually one of the rooms that the player's in, and these are set up to be what the room is that he can collide with, and so that when I go back to the player and it scripts, you can see that it's just touching the collision object, which is the mask here. But then, just like the player, how it's got this thing that interacts with everything, and then it's got something that shows how it looks. It's the same with the level. So this is the level, and it's taking all these drawings I've done of the collision meshes. It takes all the drawings done of the collision masks and puts them so that the player can see them. Most of the animations are just 3 pieces with a 0.1 second in between. That way you can see that it's quite consistent between the drawing animation of the player, the flag, the key, the door. You see how they're all 3-piece, and so the same kind of. You can even see the missile is a 3-piece animation. These sound effects, I kind of just found free samples and modified them a bit. This one's actually from scratch. All the drawings I've done myself. You can see that this is the costume I've done for the player. It's basically running in the right direction, left direction, standing still and falling still. Yeah, following in directions. This is kind of like a basic animation for these shooters. Oh, I've actually misaligned that a bit. And there's a bit of a smoke trail. There's a sign that it's been shot, so just after it's shot it goes no, just before it shoots it goes back in, and then it pops out and shoots the rocket and then does a smoke effect. That's basically under the shoot function. It switches to before it's shot, to the start of it, and then it goes until it's about to shoot, and it shoots, and then it goes to the end of the animation before it waits to do the thing again. And basically that's only going to be in effect on the room that it's supposed to be displayed. You can see that none of the animations are moving while it's not present in the room. That's pretty important to saving a lot of processing power. So I hope to do good things with this project. I'm kind of happy with this art style. It's all drawn by me, pretty lazily. I think it's been done poorly on purpose, which is kind of cool. So yeah, thanks for watching.